Valentine's Day might be finished, yet that doesn't mean we never again need red telephones. Huawei is bringing the red restricted version of its Honor 7X to the worldwide stage, after it has of now propelled in the US. What's more, there's a gray form as well. Correct, the Honor 7X propelled in black, blue, and gold, however no gray, an entirely famous shading. There's a catch, however, just 20,000 units will be made of the red and gray forms. In case you're intrigued, the telephones are accessible in select markets at a cost of £270, same as the consistent hues. There's another catch, however, paying little mind to what the costs may persuade, there's no red or grey 7X in the UK. Things being what they are, which are these select markets? All things considered, we'd get a kick out of the chance to know as well. Huawei is making this more troublesome than it should be.